Once you have set up your new WordPress site, either with your host provider or on your local computer, this is the screen that you will see. As of this recording, out of the box, your WordPress installation will come with 3 themes: the 2021, 2022, and 2023. Now, the one that's farthest to the left is the one that's already activated and ready to go. If you want to work with this one, you can just hit Customize and get started. If you want to use one of the other ones, you just hit the Activate button, and it will move it over into the queue, and you could hit Customize and work from there. Now, let's say you don't like any of these themes, and you want to look around for some more. If you hit the plus button, it takes you to the repository with all of the many WordPress themes that are out there. You can search for a certain WordPress theme if you know the name by typing it in here. For example, okay, and I got the name backwards, but it still gave me the one that I was looking for. Now, if I want to use this one, I could hit install. But before I do, I want to show you that you can use filters to filter out different types. You can just click on block themes and it will only show you block themes, latest, popular. Let's say you found one you like, you install it. Now you go back to your themes page, and this is what is on your website. And you see that it's been put in there, and if I want to activate it, I can just hit activate and it moves it into the queue. And now I am set up to go ahead and customize this if I want to use this theme. Now you can also see that when you activate a theme, if there's something that's recommended, it will be put in here and you can read through that and just follow the prompts. But for these tutorials, we're going to use the 2023 theme. So now I've activated it. Now another thing that you may want to consider is getting rid of themes that you are not using, because all they do is take up space, and when there is an update, it's going to tell you up here in the dashboard that you need to update it. So for now, if you want to get rid of a theme that is in your personal repository, you just click on the theme. It gives you information and things like that, and you can click delete. Now you don't have to worry, because if you change your mind, you can go back to the plus and bring it back in the way we did earlier. For now, I want to clean things up, and I want to keep things as clean as possible. So I'm just going to remove these because we're not going to use them. So now we just have the one theme, and you notice that it opens up really big and it tells you a lot of information about the theme.